Explain active current mirror circuit. Active current mirror circuit consists of a arrangement of two circuits which look mirror images of each other. First circuit is biasing circuit and second circuit is V bias circuit, which provides V bias voltage. So first let us discuss about biasing circuit. So the figure shows here biasing circuit. So it is basically a PMOS transistor. So it is called as M1, and this is a circuit to which it is providing biasing current I0. It is circuit to which it is providing biasing current I0. So we are biasing transistor M1 such that current flows through it. So we are biasing transistor M1 such that current flows through it. So current through M1 is controlled by biasing voltage. So current through M1, so current through this circuit, this MOSFET is controlled by V bias. V bias is biasing voltage for MOSFET M1. V bias is biasing voltage for MOSFET M1, and VDD is drain voltage. Second circuit required for creating an active current mirror circuit is V bias voltage circuit. So this is a V bias voltage circuit. So if we vary V ref R ref, so this is a if we vary R ref, so we will discuss about this later. So let us see first this circuit. So this circuit consists of a PMOS transistor. Drain is connected to VDD. Then in this PMOS transistor, diode configuration is used. In this diode configuration, gate and source voltage, gate and source terminal are connected to each other, and RF is a variable resistor which is used for controlling V bias, that is biasing voltage. So for controlling biasing voltage, that is V bias, R reference is resistor which is used. So these two circuit, first circuit that was biasing circuit and second was V bias circuit, these both are used, both are connected with each other. So we will discuss it now. So they together form a current mirror circuit, active current mirror circuit. So they are used for biasing various circuits like differential amplifier circuit. So we will discuss differential amplifier circuit now. So after differential amplifier circuit, we will discuss about the altogether connections of all circuits. So let us first check differential amplifier circuit. So this is basically differential amplifier circuit. Two transistors M1 M2 are used in it. Then VDD is supplied. VDD is supply for this drain of this N channel MOSFET, that is M1. So here we will connect the output of that active current mirror circuit. So here we will connect that current mirror circuit, and this ISS source is grounded, used for grounded all the source terminals. Source terminals are taken common and they are grounded with ISS source, and V in is voltage given to this differential amplifier. So as we have discussed in previous sections, there is a V bias circuit, there is a biasing circuit, so which provides biasing. So we discussed this circuit just now. Then this is V bias circuit, we also discussed this circuit just now. So these are these two transistors, PMOS transistors, are mirror image M1, and we can say we can label this as M1 M2 M3 M4. So for circuit, for our nomenclature purposes, but we are not mentioning here. So these are two PMOS transistors, and these two PMOS transistors are like mirror images of each other, look identical, and they are mirror images of each other. So that is why it is called as current mirror circuit. So after these joining these two, first V bias circuit and then second is biasing circuit, we create a current mirror source. We are creating a current mirror source. VDD is common here. Then RF reference voltage is can be varied, and thus V bias can be varied, can be given to M1. RF can be varied, thus V bias. So V bias which is applied here, it can be varied. So I0, which is current through this MOSFET, which is biasing circuit, can be varied. So as we are we were discussing about differential amplifier circuit. So this is a differential amplifier circuit in this block. This is differential amplifier circuit. So here its terminal, it's connected to VDD, and the output of this current, active current mirror circuit, is connected to this M2 drain of that M2, that is second transistor of second NMOS N channel MOSFET, sorry, N channel MOSFET of this differential amplifier. So V bias circuit and biasing circuit together form an active current mirror circuit. So first point is V bias circuit and biasing circuit together form an active current mirror circuit. So this is an active current mirror circuit. By varying RF in V bias circuit, we can provide proper I0 to differential amplifier. So by varying RF, so if we vary now RF, that is reference voltage, so this is a variable resistor. By varying this, we can provide proper I0. So we can provide proper actually V bias to this biasing circuit. We are providing actually V bias, proper V bias to this biasing circuit, and then proper I0 to this differential amplifier. So thus we are biasing differential amplifier. So this differential amplifier is biased by this active current mirror circuit. So this was about active current mirror circuit.